welcome back to Learn with Samvedya. Today we are going to learn about day weeks in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, English, Sunday, Telugu, Adivaram, Hindi, Ravivar, Kannada, Bhanuvara. Number 2, English, Monday, Telugu, Somvaram, Hindi, Somvar, Kannada, Somvara. Number 3, English, Tuesday, Telugu, Mangalvaram, Hindi, Mangalvar, Kannada, Mangalvara. Number 4, English, Wednesday, Telugu, Budhavaram, Hindi, Budhvar, Kannada, Budhvara. Number 5, English, Thursday, Telugu, Guruvaram, Hindi, Guruvar, Kannada, Guruvara. Number 6, English, Friday, Telugu, Shukravaram, Hindi, Shukravar, Kannada, Shukravara. Number 10, English, Saturday, Telugu, Shanivaram, Hindi, Shanivar, Kannada, Shanivara. Dear friends, now you know how to speak day weeks in 4 languages. Practice daily and don't miss tomorrow's video for new words. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.